All right, so these are a 1980s horror film. These verticals that are missing slats. The clips dry out and break in the plastic. God forbid they use metal. But anyways, if these things here were metal or aluminum, you could use this for a lifetime and just keep changing these hanging slats. But that's not where we are. So I am going to get a new window treatment for this. It's 120 inches by 120 by what? Well, from the end of each moldings, it's like 54 inches. But I don't like the brackets falling on the moldings. What did I say it was? 52 inches? Get up there. Yeah, 52, 54. I'd like to raise it up a little bit and screw into the sheetrock. 54, 56, 60, any of those would work. I could raise and lower them so it gets centered. But this is a horror and it's got to go.